Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone's PIN pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, then I'm sure my friend, your phone has been locked due to forgot PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end, only then your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make this type of technical videos for you. Okay. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your phone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. Okay. And firstly, you will have to switch off all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. As you see here, my phone's Wi-Fi network is on in my phone. It means firstly I will have to switch off my Wi-Fi network, or any type of telecommunication network should be closed before go to the unlocking method. I mean to say offline unlocking method. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of keys here like this. Wi-Fi network keys, mobile network keys, these type of keys will be showing on your phone's display. You will also get an option of an airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So my friend, you can see here I'm going to activate this airplane mode or flight mode. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed now. Now my phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method or offline unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. The most important thing is that your all the background running application which were running when your phone was not locked should be closed. And generally it is not possible when your phone is locked. Generally it is not possible to close the background running application. But there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close the all background running application when your phone is locked. And you will have to feed this secret code in emergency call option. You can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. You will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this emergency call option, you will get a new page of a dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed this secret code in this dialing pad and recent secret code, because this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days. I mean to say all the background closing running application USSD code updates within 2 or 3 days. So recent secret code which is used to close the background running application is star has 000, then star 88, then star 0953, then 7, then hash. After feeding this number in your call log, you will have to call on this number at the first time, and when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. But at the first time, you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this number. Again, you will have to OK this. You will have to do this process 3 times continuously. And now after doing this process 3 times, I mean to say after calling on this USSD number 3 times, your all the background running application will be closed, and now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method, or it's also known as engineer's mode. Now after this you will have to simply close this USSD code or secret code. Now I am going to give you a USSD code which will use to go to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Okay. And this USSD code is star has 899 then hash. Now you can see here after dialing this number star has 899 and hash, you will reach to a new page. You can see here, and you will also get a lots of option on this page, and this page name is engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. Okay. Now you will get an option of a software version. You can see here at the 5th number, you can see here there is an option of a software version. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of option on this new page. But you can see here at the 2nd number there is an option of an Android version, and here my phone's Android version is 12. It means I will have to click on this Android version 12 times. But if your phone is showing here Android version 13 or Android version 10 or Android version 11, it means you will have to click on those options. Android version 13, it means you will have to click on Android version 13 times. Here my phone is showing here Android version 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now after this you will have to simply go with the back button like this, and when you will click on the back button you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version, that is manual test option. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and its name is assembly test project. You will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see here at the end of the page other option has been appeared on my phone's display, and you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here. But here you can see there is an option of at the 4th number, that is database version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about the name. You will have to simply click on this database version 11 times continuously like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the 2nd number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, read write important lock test, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm as option. Okay, but you don't have to confirm this. You will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again at the 2nd time you will have to do the same. Again you will have to cancel it, and the 3rd time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this read write important lock test, at the 4th time you will have to confirm this with the OK button. And when you will confirm this with the OK button, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, but the every step is most important. If you have skipped any step, it means you will have to watch this video again. So watch this video properly for the every proper step. Okay. So the last step what I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. You can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here. You will also get a lots of option on this page. You can see here check a small board, match main board, fingerprint test, keypad test, and these type of lots of options on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. At the 6th number you can see here. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will get a new page like this, and you will also get a 2 option or 3 option. If you are getting there 3 options, so don't worry. Here my phone is showing here 2 options, and both option is showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start this operation by clicking on this option like this, and you will have to click on both options until you get a single test pass message. Now I am going to click on both options. You can see here first option has been showing here test started but test failed. Again second option test started and test failed. Again I will have to click on both options to get a single test passed message. You will have to continue click on these options. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared in a single option. Okay, it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Simply you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. You can see here. Now I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this option. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the application which were in my phone as it is as in my phone. It means there is no any data loss in my phone. Okay, so if this trick and this method helped you to unlock your phone, then like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this trick, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next technical helps.